If a job interview falls through, another will come along. This lack of desperation is incredibly powerful. It signals confidence and stability. Contrast this with a scarcity mindset, where someone feels like every chance is their last chance. This leads to neediness, anxiety, and a tendency to settle for less than they deserve. To cultivate an abundance mindset, start practicing gratitude for what you have, and actively look for evidence of opportunity all around you. Recognize that you are the constant in your life, not the external things you're chasing. Another key component is having a strong sense of purpose that is entirely your own. What gets you out of bed in the morning, besides your job? What are your passions, your goals, your missions? When your life is rich with purpose, your happiness and fulfillment are not dependent on another person. You have your own world, and you invite people into it, rather than trying to become a part of theirs. This is magnetic. A person with a clear mission is dynamic and exciting. They have direction and passion, which are contagious energies. Whether your purpose is starting a community garden, mastering an instrument, or building a business, having that personal driving force makes you the main character in your own story. The buyer is the one with the power, calmly assessing if the product meets their needs. In life, you want to be the buyer. You are assessing if people, jobs, and situations are a good fit for you. To start embodying this today, pick one area. Maybe it's setting a boundary with a friend who always cancels last minute. Maybe it's dedicating 1 hour a day to a new skill you want to learn. Maybe it is simply taking yourself out on a solo date to prove you can enjoy your own company. These small actions build up over time, rewiring your brain to see yourself as the source of your own value. You stop looking outside for the prize, because you realized you were the prize all along. The psychology of being the prize is the ultimate form of self-love and self-respect. It's a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort and a commitment to your own growth. But the result is a life where you attract what you desire, not because you chase it, but because you become a match for it. You create a reality where you are the valuable, sought-after entity in every room you enter. Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments which part you're going to start applying first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building your best life. See you in the next one.